Back to another video. So today we are going to do a thing that no artists have done till now, or I don't think so anyone have done, but we are going to do just for my viewers. But before we start with that, I am going to tell you about a thing which I bought recently, which is this thing, the oil colors. And as you can see, can you see it, that I have used it a bit, and with this I have bought many other things. Like, wait, I will show you here. Yes, no, this is this thing. And why I brought all this, I'm going to tell you. So this, I brought this for some interesting looking shapes when we draw landscapes, as well as it is used many places. While doing abstract also we can use this knife. And why oil paints? Because we have done acrylic, we have done digital drawing, we have done so many other drawings on our channel, but one thing was remaining, which is this oil. And to be very honest, I have never done oil painting in my life. This is the first time when I am going to play with this. Yes, we will play with this, not work with this. So now coming back to our point, that what we are going to do in our video, I am going to tell you my mistakes which I have did for the first time. Yes, for the first time, so that you don't make such mistakes and get a proper drawing, and not like me getting and not like me who is getting this after a full 3 hours of work. But before we jump into a perfect oil painting, we will see here what mistakes we did, so that in the journey of learning we all can move in the same box. So let's jump into it. So here we go. The first mistake which I did was I didn't did a white base coat, so that I could get an even finish of the color, and the oil paints are really dark and I didn't knew it. So the first thing you should do is put a white coat, white plain even coat, before putting any color on your canvas. The second thing which I did was I didn't use the turpentine to clean my brushes. I rather used the water, which was the biggest mistake, because the brushes didn't get completely clean and the color was not getting mixed properly because of it. The third mistake which I did was I didn't use a little bit oil while doing this sky, so that I can get an even finish.
The image of the oil is on your screen.
The next mistake is that while doing that bushes, I didn't, because of the absence of base color, they are looking really dark and I blended it too hard. I should be a little bit easy on that. You be careful, and while doing the bushes, press the bristle upwards, not like directly on canvas. The next mistake was I put the highlights everywhere. The highlight should be where the light touches first, and then going down, and like that you will get a darker finish at the downside, and this will create an illusion of depth in your painting. The next mistake is that there are a lot of mistakes in this drawing, but wait for the end result, because you will get an surprise that how my end result is looking. The next mistake is that while doing the ground, I should have used my knife, but rather than that I used my brush. But as I was using my brush, this painting was unplanned, so some mistakes did happen, like the ground is not looking even, as well as the color which are mixed are not looking like pleasing to the eyes, right? And the blending is not proper. While blending, please keep in mind that you should be really gentle. The brush should barely touch the canvas. And while doing oil paint, don't use a lot of oil, use a little bit oil only. the paint should be that much thick that you can use it on canvas, and it should remain there only. So the paint should be a bit thick.
Don't repeat the mistakes and you will get a nice finish.
A change in location or change in background, because I wanted to tell you all before ending this video that your ABK Arts is trying animation. That's why last video was not that proper, because I was learning animation. So soon or later animation video will be up on my channel, so wait for it and do subscribe if you want to be a part of that, and I will share my mistakes of that too, because I believe in sharing things and letting others who are starting now, giving them a little bit push so that they don't make that mistakes like I do.
Time stops when I'm falling for